Hi, this is the cosmic microwave background explained in under 2 minutes. You must be wondering, what is cosmic microwave background, or CMB? Well, to put it simply, it's essentially the universe's baby picture, a faint glow of radiation left over from the Big Bang dating back to 13.8 billion years ago. This is the earliest light we can observe and also the oldest electromagnetic radiation in the universe. So, how did we even discover CMB? Well, in the 1940s, physicists actually predicted its existence, but it was scientifically discovered on accident. In 1964, astronomers Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson were working with a radio antenna and found an unexplained noise, which they declared was CMB, earning them the Nobel Prize. This discovery confirms the Big Bang theory, since CMB is simply radiation from the Big Bang all those years ago. Now, what does CMB tell us? The CMB has an almost uniform temperature of around 2.73 kelvins, or negative 270.42 degrees Celsius, but it has some small fluctuations, which reveals density differences in the early universe. CMB also helps determine the composition of the universe in terms of dark matter, dark energy, and regular matter. And lastly, CMB confirms the universe's age and shows that it is flat, not curved or closed. In 2013, the most detailed map of the CMB was produced, showing temperature variations and polarization patterns. In the future, we aim to study the CMB further, discovering more about the early universe. Thanks for watching!